I am here at this Toll Brothers model that's up for sale now. This is gonna be asking $890,000, including all the furniture. This is 2-bed, 2.5 bath, just over 2,000 square feet, but fully remodeled, including furniture. So let's go take a look inside. This is the garage, 3-car garage, okay? 3-car garage. They are going to take that out. Office is closed. They're going to turn that back into a garage. Let's go inside and take a look. Stonework over here. Beautiful wood panels on the right side of the wall. And this is a model, and they're selling this one, as mentioned earlier. Fully furnished, exactly the way you're seeing this. Thermostat there, alarm system there. Then you have your full bath, high ceilings, towel all the way up, quartz, nice light fixture. Love what they did here with the metal. Here's the office. Another nice light fixture. So that would be closet. Cabinets going all the way up. Waterfall edge. Upgraded island. So they mix the white quartz to more of a gray tone. And then you have the octagon backsplash. And of course, we have soft close. Glass cabinets up top. Some more storage for your nice pieces. Dining area. The wet bar. Floating shelves with LED. Goes all the way up. Little party sink right here. Wine fridge. Beverage fridge. There's a round dining table. Fits really well. Rectangle one. You could do a rectangle one. It will still fit. There's the family area. More floating shelves with LED lighting, top and bottom. Stacking doors. These are extra high too. These are like 9 feet tall. So they will stack 2 stacks over. You got the speakers, surround sound, 5.1, 3, 2. You got a fireplace, wood panels up top in the back. See, this is floating as well with LED. Super nice. And like I said earlier, $890,000, including everything you see in here. You got your second screen for your alarm system. Here's your pantry, great size. Make sure you keep it clean because there's a window there. So you got waterfall edge here, and then you have the waterfall edge right over there on that side. Kind of farmhouse style Kohler sink. Backsplash, double oven. This would be the garage, which would be the office at this point. But nice entryway. You got some more cabinets here. You put your keys there when you walk in. And then right here is a bedroom or ensuite because it's got its own bathroom. You got your own walk-in closet. Of course, high ceilings. Tile all the way up. Now, laundry room. Lots of cabinetry with the sink. Now to the primary. Primary, you got your stacking doors. Not 9 foot, 8 foot, but still stacking. Great, nice panels in the back, right? And then you got the darker piece, floating shelves with LED still. love those light fixtures, the chandelier style coming down. And it's only one side, so hey, you know, that works. All right, custom closet, built in with the mirror, as you can see. Those, you know, for jewelry, watches, ties, shoes. All right, let's check out this bathroom. Floating shelves, tile, shower with the tub. Comment below what you think about this bathroom. That is the backyard. Of course, it's you got your patio covers with the TV, entertainment, nice entertainment purposes. Nice little hanging chair there, you can swing around. Seems really low. Those poles are good for string lights, so you'll do the string lights, and then patio right there. There's the primary. And that retaining wall with the gate, they're gonna close that off. The street is back there. And this would be facing east. So sun will come up in the mornings and go right over this house. And then the front of the house is west facing. That's the end of this Prato model tour.